This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
When you cannot join a Roblox game, it can be really frustrating, but there are several straightforward solutions to try. In this video, I will explain how to fix Roblox games not letting you join. First, ensure your internet connection is stable and working correctly. A quick restart of your home router, waiting perhaps 30 seconds, often resolves temporary network glitches. Additionally, always check the official Roblox server status page online, as widespread platform issues might prevent you from connecting. Sometimes, corrupted local files cause connection problems. Try clearing your Roblox client's cache, which can accumulate over 500 megabytes of temporary data. If that does not work, a complete reinstallation of the Roblox player often fixes deeper software conflicts. Finally, ensuring your operating system and graphics drivers are updated helps Roblox run smoothly and connect correctly. Your computer's firewall or router settings might be preventing Roblox from connecting to its servers. Make sure to allow Roblox through any security software you have installed. You can also try changing your DNS settings to a public server, like Google's 8.8.8.8, which sometimes improves connection reliability. These steps can bypass restrictive network configurations. High CPU or memory usage from other applications can impact Roblox's performance and connection stability. Close any programs you are not actively using to free up resources. Furthermore, confirm your computer meets the minimum system requirements, such as at least 8 GB of RAM and a processor above 2 GHz. If you have an older system, running Roblox in compatibility mode might resolve issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.